You're going to want them. They're in the blues scale. They're in lots of tunes. So blues scale, especially if you want to play blues, is... This is hole 2 here, hole 3, hole 4, so 2 draw, 3 draw, single bend. Let's spoon, let's spoon, let's spoon. You'll want to play that, I'm sure. So you really want to be able to play the stuffing out of holes 2 and 3, don't you, with all that bending, especially if you're going to get into blues. So I think we'll leave it there. Have fun, enjoy it, let me know if you want any help. See you later.